You may ask. This is what our founding father, Sri R.S. Hanumantrao, would offer as prayer to his most beloved Mother Goddess every day. And soon she answered his prayers deftly. Even at the young age of 42 years, Sri R.S. Hanumantrao achieved the respect and recognition of the people around him. Yet, he remained his humble self. His dignified respect towards all of womanhood has earned him a permanent place in our society. He firmly believed that when everyone around is happy, so are we.
ಇಂತಹ ಮಹತ್ತರ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆಯೂ ಪ್ರತಿಪಾದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀವಾಣಿ ಶಾಲೆ 1966ರಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಲೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೈವಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಂತಹ ಮಹನೀಯರು ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ